Students, once again I am here. I am FAISAL MUSHTAQUE as a teacher of the Jesus St. Mary's School. Today, my dear students, I will deal subject Geography Standard 6. Chapter 1, topic Representations of Geographical Features. In this chapter, in this topic, I will define globes and their globes features also. When should we use a globe? What are the advantages of the globes? Define maps, features of maps, and last, distortion in maps. Now I will discuss about globes. The globe is a small model of Earth. The shapes of the continents and oceans are quite precise on a globe. Their size are smaller. But nowadays, globes, there are pockets, globes also available, which can be inflated when required. So, a globe is a spherical model of the Earth. The word globes comes from the Latin words globus. What is the meaning of the globus? Globus means a sphere. A globe is the only accurate way to study the whole Earth. A globe is more accurate than a flat map because it mimics the true shape of the Earth. When should we use a globe? A globe is three-dimensional sphere, while a map is two-dimensional. A globe can be used to get a broad level picture of the world. Now, what are the advantages of the globes? Advantages. So my dear student, the advantages of the globe is that it's promote visual accuracy. Student needs to use a globe frequently if they are to form accurate mental maps. The advantages of the world maps is that we can see the entire world at one time. It depicts the correct shapes, size, location, and various continents, oceans, sea, city on the Earth. Now, a map. A drawing of the Earth's surface, either whole or part of it on a flat surface is called a map. A map is a visual representation of an entire area or a part of the area, various things like politicals, boundary, physical features, road, topographies, populations, climate, natural resources, and economic activities. Maps have been around from 8,000 years ago. A cartography who significantly advanced in ancient Greek. The motion of the spherical earth was recognized among great philosopher, and the Greek philosopher by the time of the philosopher by the time of the Aristotle and the famous personality name of the Aristotle, and he has been the acknowledgement by all geographical ever since. Now, distortion in maps. Distortions means deformation. Maps will have deformations at one or more of these properties, like distance, directions, area, shape, or scale. Some projection known as compromise projection. have distinction, but map maker try to make them as small as possible. Projection look like what we are used to seeing on the globe. Distortions are unavoidable when making flat maps of the earth. So now I will discuss. The topic is types of maps. Types of map, there are three types of map. One, physical maps. Second, political maps. Third, thematic maps. Now I will discuss physical map. These are maps which shows the natural features on the earth's surface. Like mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, and so on. Physical map. A physical map of India show all the physical division of the seventh largest country in the world. The topographical features of the country are quite varied. These high quality and informative maps help you understand all the topographical features of India. The country is a home in the sense to hill, deserts, forests, rivers, mountains, plateaus, seashores. A physical map of India is always helpful to guide for the student, tutor, and parents also. It also highlights the prominent river and streams of the country, such as, I'm giving example, Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Jhelum, Indus, Godavari. These are the river. It show all the region of the nations. Now, according to the physical map, we will notice Kanchenjunga, which is also the tallest peak in India. The Western Ghat mountain range, Nilgiri mountain range have been clearly highlighted in the map. We can see also Bay of Bengal, edges of country, that three angles on the physical map of India, and Arabian Seas also. Now we will discuss of the political map. Second points. Political maps. Now these maps show the boundaries of countries and the states within the countries. They also show the location of cities and towns. So the political map show all the states and union territories of India along with their capital cities. India is officially known as the Republic of the India. Is comprised of a total 28 states and 8 union territories. Political map. What is the use of the political map? It is used to show the governmental boundaries of the boundaries of countries, states, and the location of the major cities. So it is useful in the determination of the regional social political trends. Now, third, I will discuss thematic maps. These maps show weather conditions, types of soil, types of vegetations, distributions of minerals, industries, and the various other things. Now, thematic map is a type of a map designed to show the particular theme connected with a geographical. It is a map which is based on the theme. It's called the thematic map. Now, such as temperature, variation, rainfall distributions, or population density. It normally include some locational or references information such as place, names, major water bodies to help map readers. So now the thematic maps show the average distributions of the rainfall in an area. Now my dear students, we have completed this chapter points. I know all the students listen carefully my voice and read attentively. Then your work is listen carefully and make the question inside question answer. Okay? Good day. Goodbye.